Looking for a power supply that keeps your PC running smoothly without draining your energy bill? The Smart Series power supplies, rated from 500W to 700W, offer just that. With up to 86% energy efficiency and 80+ certification, these units save power while delivering stable, reliable performance for any mainstream build, even those with demanding components. What sets the Smart Series apart is its thoughtful design. Equipped with a 120mm intelligent cooling fan, it provides excellent airflow while staying whisper quiet. This means your system stays cool without the distracting noise of a loud fan. The single plus 12 volts rail ensures consistent power delivery, supporting nonstop usage without worrying about voltage drops or instability. Plus, high-quality components prevent common issues like capacitor explosions or leaks, giving you peace of mind for the long haul. I put the 500W model to the test myself, and it handled everything I threw at it, sometimes by accident, without missing a beat. Despite some rough handling, it continued to hum quietly, proving its durability and resilience. The cables are sturdy, though a bit short, so if you plan to use it as an external power supply for a graphics card, you'll want to keep it close to your PC case. Also, a quick jumper wire between the green and any black cable on the main bus will get your GPU powered up smoothly. If you're ready to upgrade to a power supply that balances energy savings, quiet operation, and rock-solid reliability, the Smart Series is worth a look. Whether you're building a new rig or replacing an old PSU, these models offer what you need without the fuss. Try the Smart Series power supply when you're ready to experience efficient, stable power that keeps your system cool and quiet. It's a practical choice that delivers consistent performance and long-term reliability for your PC.